Well, what's up, fellows? It's a Friday here at the old college. Let's go home here very shortly. And wanted to just kind of give you a video. It's kind of chopped up, I guess, what you could say, because I didn't do a whole lot of talking on some of these shots that I shot because there's people in the building. College days here is Fridays. No students except for ones in the dorms and stuff around, but there are some people here working, instructors in the offices and different things, so don't do a whole lot of talking as I'm going through very much on this video, but just want to show you some of my buildings, just a few shots of some things here and there, and talk to my supervisor this morning, and talked about that big building that I'm fixing to show here in a few minutes that I'm going to get here in a few weeks when I get it completed, about getting a floor scrubber. And yep, you get to see. Didn't know this was here. Been here a month and had no clue that we had any floor scrubbers like this. So just enjoy. This is kind of different. You have a great day. This is the lab. I dropped the table on my toe. One of these tables right here. This right here. Yeah. Toe's better though. I still know it's there, but looking better. This building here, right here, those doors coming from the outside, goes into the dining room. I have to clean them glass doors right there twice a day, which is not no big deal. I have a little meeting room there. I have a Rotary Club that meets in here once a week, and they have rent out this room. I basically just come in here and hit this one once a week really good. Mopped it yesterday, all by hand. Mop machine's not real accessible here. I have to go to a building, bring it down a ramp, out the building, down a sidewalk, down some more sidewalk, up a ramp, in the back door, through the cafeteria, into this building. And that's the way you have to carry it back. So I mostly try to mop it by hand as much as I can. You got a little set of bathrooms here. I go into the men's bathroom. It's little. They just remodeled this. Didn't put up new stalls or nothing, but they put all new commodes and urinals in. They opened this up to the public to eat on Sundays here. And used to come up here and eat, and man, that bathroom was pretty bad. That goes down to the art department. I don't take care of that. That building right over there is the one they're renovating. Probably gonna get that building, and that building has got more windows in it, and I don't know. Putting sod in today. Been doing landscaping all week. Building's gonna be ready to open here in just a few more weeks. But anyway, there's a lot of windows in there. I don't know if they're gonna take any buildings away from me or just add more to me. I don't know. Right now I think I can handle it, but until I get in there and see what I'm doing, I don't know. This little closet right here, you know, I have not learned these keys yet. I was used to having 2 keys where it came from. I unlocked the whole school system. This place here's got multi-keys. This door sticks. This closet right here has no sink. It's just a supply. Getting water to go clean the bathrooms, I have to go through the kitchen and use their sink. Is a hassle. This little floor right here you see, it was all concrete. All this right here, where this condensation line runs off that air conditioning unit, that rust right there, and that looks really good compared to what this floor looked like. And I found a box of that non-stick flooring in this closet. I cleaned it real good and I laid it down because this was pathetic. I don't have everything organized like I want it yet. I'm gonna get some hangers, but that little space right there is all I got. This is one of the 3 closets that I have. All the closets I have are small. That building I just showed you over there has got one humongous closet in it and a couple small ones. Anyway, I'll show you building number 3. I'm just gonna kind of walk and hold my phone across campus. That's my English building over there that I just filmed a while ago. Did I do? Had the girl ask me, might help in this big building right here that they're doing. She said, how are we gonna take care of that? That's a lot. Yeah, it is a lot. But I look at it as a big old box. It's just a big old box with a bunch of little boxes in it. So you just clean one box at a time. One office at a time. No biggie. Just divide it up. Do what you can. Because leaving elementary school with a 1/4 mile long haul and all the responsibilities I had there. I mean, I'm not on no set schedule here. I just pace myself. Do what I can. Yeah, I got baseball fields, maintenance shop directly over in front of us, tennis courts. I'm gonna cut this off for a second. Supply room. It's where everybody comes and gets their supplies. It's like in the middle of the campus. And I'm not crazy about all these products we have. They're so strong smelling, I have to wear a mask to clean bathrooms because it's just like, this is household type stuff, really perfumey. I'm not real crazy about that. That door right there, it stays open most of the time. I know somebody was in there hiding the other day. I could hear them. I started to bust them, but I left them alone. It got real quiet. I could hear them in there, then they got real quiet. Okay, y'all. I'm having a tornado in a trailer park. Just show you why. Show you why. Look at this bad boy. It's got 4 hours on her. Okay, this is building number 3. But this slab right here, it was in really bad shape. Floors don't look that great. It was about as dull as a parking lot. And I didn't have time to strip and wax them. I mean, it had absolutely no shine. And I buffed them anyway. I buffed the halls in this building. I'm not gonna do much talking as I go down the hall because there's somebody here, so I'm just gonna kind of walk. Computer lab. This floor here was pretty bad too. It buffed up pretty good. Doesn't need stripping and waxing, but I've got it where I can dust mop it without the dust mop turning over now. All these light fixtures were full of bugs. I cleaned them out. All that you see in them vents is on the inside. I cleaned them as best as I could. A little break room. Give me a drink here. Another set of bathrooms. I've never seen so many urinals in my life in a small place. I didn't have this many when I was in any of our bathrooms in that 2,000 plus student school that I used to work in. Here's my other closet. Gotta turn my water off. This is the stuff they use here. Comet Mr. Clean, Spick and Span. Ugh, it's so strong. I know this looks like organized chaos, and that's what it is. I don't have very much space. It's a whole lot better than it was. Got me a quieter cordless vac. Those windows I just showed you, they were filthy. And if you see them, they don't look dirty now. It's in between the glass. And I bet you spiders has built webs in here overnight. It's the backside of the baseball field. It's another computer lab. There's one next door just like it. A lot like a high school computer lab. Another bathroom. All right, here's a little lab. It's got a step down. Everything's a step down. This is not bad though. That little lightweight cordless vac I got. Makes it pretty easy to take care of. This is more like a high school classroom. Just set up another lab. All these windows. Look how bad that looks. It's not dirty. That's where it's in between the glass. I cleaned all these windows inside and out. You would not believe how dirty they were in the spider webs. I wish I'd done some before and after, but just was coming in the door, and I'm pretty bad about not getting before shots and stuff. I just get busy. Well, here I go walking back across campus. Kind of what I do is on Friday, nobody's here much. No students, except for the ones that's in the dorms and some around everything. But I found a washing machine here a few weeks ago. Dust mops and stuff were like terrible. And I found a washing machine. I got to get some laundry detergent. All I found in there is bleach, and all that's going to eat my mops and dust mops up. But on Fridays, I gather my dust mops and stuff up, wash them, clean them up. Having all these different closets, different places, that's kind of a challenge being spread out like this. But like I've said before, you maintain your equipment, take care of it, it'll take care of you. And I just don't like using nasty stuff. So what I'm doing now is I'm headed over back to my other buildings and put these dust mops up. I think I'm gonna grab some lunch in the cafeteria while I'm over there having fish today. Like I say, oh, by the way, the fish was awesome. Like I say, this video is a little bit different. Just kind of wanted everybody to kind of see, as people ask, you know, I wanted to see what I did, and that going in detail, you know, of everything that I do. You know, just the normal everyday cleaning of bathrooms, sweeping, taking out garbage. And speaking of taking out garbage, I'm telling you, man, I used to have to make so many trips to the dumpster. I don't have to do that anymore. Just set it outside the door of these buildings and somebody comes by and picks it up. That's crazy awesome. But anyway, just a little bit of, you know, the 3 buildings I take care of right now. And this big monstrosity behind me in the background. And we'll get here in a few weeks. That's what I do here at the college. It's not really that strenuous, that stressful. Kind of my own boss. It's really good. This is the best job I've ever had. There's some days I have to kind of dig for something to do to stay busy. It's like Thursday afternoons yesterday. I just got there and started getting bathrooms and stuff done, and getting garbage out and getting stuff cleaned up, and come in and work a few hours on Friday and go to the house. And that's exactly what I'm fixing to do here in just a few minutes. Go to the house. Go home and do some projects. I just highly suggest if you can get a job at a community college somewhere, if it runs anything like this one, do it. It pays more. It's not as stressful. And I've met some really great people here. Y'all have a great day. Oh, by the way, go out there and sweep some floors, take out some garbage, clean some bathrooms, because you know you're going to have to do it again. Hello? Hello? Anybody here? Nobody but us spiders. Let's get out of here.
Just tell me what you want.